slippers.
You walk around talking over and be like, yeah, so we're in the grocery store. People are like, what are they doing?
Man.
Okay. We found the snacks.
We're looking for snacks.
Some snackage.
Ooh, vitamin water.
I only ever have like 3 kinds.
Ooh. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. It's weird when people are around. What do we? Ooh, family sack. What do we want?
I don't know. What do you want? What do you want, Kay?
I want some
Honey barbecue?
Pringles.
I can't decide. We can't decide with the camera on.
I'm not even hungry.
Yeah.
We're just fat.